Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy A54 is now here at Metro. It's available now in an awesome graphite color, 128 GB of storage. So that is from the back of the phone. Very nice looking phone. You guys have your power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Whole point tree front facing camera there, a piece above that. Triple camera system on the back of the phone along with the camera flash Samsung logo. Very nice looking phone. It looks like any other Galaxy A series phone. Of course, this is a Galaxy A54. The last side has nothing, so your micro SD and SIM card slot is either on top or bottom of the phone. So keep that in mind. On the back of the Galaxy A54 is your triple camera system, camera flash Samsung logo. You guys have your wide angle camera, ultra wide, and telephoto, and your macro camera lens in that order. There is no telephoto camera lens on there, so it's wide, ultra wide, and macro in that order on the rear cameras. This says here made with up to 20% recycled plastic in certain parts, so that is very cool, saving the planet and all that. So pretty cool. So the Galaxy A54 is $289.99 with a new phone number. If you bring your own phone number to Metro, it's $229.99 for the Galaxy A54. So the full retail price $289.99. If you port your number over to Metro, it is $229.99. Actually, the full retail price is $469.99. Right, so that is what $30 cheaper than the Verizon version, and then $20 more than the AT&T version. So yeah, I know the different prices are confusing. If you need a new number, it's $289.99. If you port your number of the Metro, it's $229.99 for the Galaxy A54. Hopefully I cleared it up the best I could, so let's continue. Key features: 50 megapixel triple camera system, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 46 hours of talk time, 12.9 days of standby time, 6.42 inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus Infinity O display, 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution. Other features include 5G, of course, awesome triple camera, adaptive power saving, 25-watt fast charging capable, expandable storage with micro SD card sold separately, obviously, and enriched stereo sound and worry-free durability. Whether you are capturing videos while out with friends or reading online, Galaxy A54 5G helps you experience the most in life. Complete with a refined design, 5G performance, and pro-grade camera, our best Galaxy A series phone makes enjoying your favorite movies and taking incredible pictures a breeze. Jump in and out of activities with a phone that is water and dust resistant, and confidently go throughout your day knowing your data is secure by Samsung Knox. Packed with awesome features, Galaxy A54 5G makes living your best life easier than ever before. So that's very nice. Specs: 5,000 mAh battery, Type-C. Of course, it's pretty much standard now. Your Wi-Fi connections for the Galaxy A54 is Wi-Fi 8 or 211, ABGN, AC, AX, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, Exynos 1380 octa-core chipset, Android 13 with 1 UI 5.1, 6 GB of RAM, 1 TB of micro SD expansion, 4G, 5G, hair and neck compatibilities there, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, of course. Frequencies: the Galaxy A54 5G weighs 7.2 ounces. Dimensions are 0.42 inches depth, 6.23 inches height, and 3.4 inches width. Alright. And what comes in the box is the Samsung Galaxy A54 Type-C to Type-C charging cable. You guys will have to provide your own charging brick if you guys don't have one. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, so keep that in mind. Some ejection tool, quick start guide, time to and conditions. Alright. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $289.99 when you guys get a brand new number at Metro, or it's $229.99 at Metro when you guys bring your number to Metro. I know that's kind of confusing, and the full retail price of the Galaxy A54 at Metro is $469.99. So yeah, very nice looking phone, great specs for what it is, great features and whatnot. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Galaxy phone with 5G, the Galaxy A54 is worth taking a look at here. Very nice looking phone, like I said, great specs and features for what it is. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.